Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Nearby Share on both Android devices and making them visible. Once done, open Efootball. If you're sending the installed app, open its Play Store page and use Share. If you're sending an APK file, open your file manager and select the APK. Make sure both devices have Bluetooth and location on or are on the same Wi-Fi. Start the share and choose Nearby Share. Your device will search for nearby receivers so you can pick the correct target. Once the receiver appears, tap its name to initiate the transfer. You may be prompted to set visibility, restrict to contacts if privacy matters. That prevents random devices from connecting. The recipient will get an approval prompt. They must accept to start the transfer. During the transfer, stay near each other and avoid network or Bluetooth interruptions, because Nearby Share negotiates via Bluetooth, then uses Wi-Fi for speed. Monitor the progress indicator and wait until it reports complete before closing apps. After transfer completes, open Downloads or your file manager to install the APK or open the Play Store entry for the app. If installing an APK, enable Install Unknown Apps for the installer app and proceed. If something goes wrong, reboot both phones and try again. Toggle Nearby Share visibility to contacts or everyone briefly. Also verify available storage and that no VPN or firewall is blocking local transfers. One quick troubleshooting tip: switch Bluetooth off and on to clear pairing glitches before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.